Hey guys, this is Mr. H. This is question number 32 from the June 2024 Regents exam. It's just a linear regression. They have one of these on almost every exam. And all you're going to do is you're going to put this into a table. You're going to come up with the linear regression equation, and you're going to round it to the nearest hundredth. Then you're also going to find the correlation coefficient. You're going to round that to 100, and you're pretty much going to be done. So again, whenever you see a table, you should use your spreadsheet and enter that data. I've already done that here, just to save time. So now what you do, once you've entered all the data, you go to the home screen, you click the data statistics. You're going to have 6 dots in this case. You're going to go down to the bottom, and you're going to put the X value. And then over here, you're going to put the Y value. All right, so it's not a perfectly straight line. It rarely is, but it doesn't matter. You're going to do menu. You're going to go to analyze, and then you're going to go to regression, and you're going to go to the first one, show linear. So here is the equation. And we have to round this to the hundredths place. So this is going to be a negative 37.57. The 1 is what we look at. Since that's 4 below, we're just going to drop all of this stuff. You're going to drop all of the numbers, but you got to keep the X. So this is going to be a negative 37.57 times X. And then we're going to do the same thing for the y-intercept. This is going to be 215.666. So we're going to round this is going to be $215.67. So let me go and write that down. So this is going to be y equals a negative 37.57x plus $215.67. Now, if you do that, that's worth 2 points. Now we got to come up with the correlation coefficient. And the way that we're going to do that is we are going to use this r squared, and we're going to find the correlation coefficient from there. So the r squared, I'm going to write this down on my iPad or my paper. This is going to be 0.96986282216. That's enough. And so what I'm going to do is I am going to take the square root of both of these. And that's going to give me the correlation coefficient. So I'm going to go here, and I am going to use this. And I am just going to type in the r squared, 0.9698. Oh man, I don't know why it's double clicking. It's really driving me nuts. All of a sudden, again, I got 2. I'm gonna have to do something about this because I'm clicking once, but it's going on twice. I guess I just have to really slow down and make sure, like that. 2, 1, 6, 6. All right, now I'm gonna press enter. Done. Now I'm going to do control and then that. And I'm going to take this answer, and I'm going to take the square root of that. And here it is. So the r squared is 0.98. And we have to round this number to the hundred. So it's just 98 because it's 4 or below. So we just let all of this stuff go. And so here's our correlation coefficient. Now, real quick, because most of you guys missed this, this is a negative correlation. It's a negative slope, which means it has a negative correlation. That means the variables are negatively correlated. But what that means for you guys is that we just have to put a negative there. And then this is going to be 1 point. Boom, done. Now down here, all we say is this indicates a strong and negative correlation. That's all I'm going to say, correlation between the two variables. And once you write this little statement, this will be 1 point. So this is 2, this is 1, this is 1. We got to get at least 3 of these, guys. We got to get 75% of these points for this linear regression. We have to, if you want to pass. So that's it. That's all you're doing. You find, you got to round it. You got to round it. And in this case, you got to pay attention to the slope because that tells you whether it's going to be negative or positive. All right, so now let me go here and I'm going to stop and post this.